Today, we'll show you how to set up the built-in Sleep Focus Mode feature on Garmin. This video will demonstrate using the Fenix 8, but the setup process will be similar for other watches. On the watch face, press and hold the up menu button to access watch settings. Go to Focus Modes. Then select Sleep. In Schedule, you can set your sleep hours. Next, let's look at the watch face option. By default, the Focus Sleep mode will automatically change to a Do Not Disturb watch face. You can also tap to switch to Don't Change. Next, let's look at notifications and alerts. You can change the notification methods for calls, messages, etc. in Smart Notifications. One thing to note is that in Health and Wellness, find Abnormal Heart Rate Alerts. There is a High Alert option that can be modified. If this feature is useful to you, simply enable this option to increase your awareness of elevated heart rate abnormalities while you sleep. In Sound and Vibe, you can adjust volume, enable or disable alert tones, button tones, and vibration. Lastly, in Display and Brightness, you can adjust the brightness, change the text size, switch to Redshift mode, modify display settings, and toggle touch and touch lock. Once the setup is complete, your watch will automatically switch modes during your scheduled sleep hours. If you need to disable sleep mode temporarily, press and hold the light button to access the controls menu. You can turn off sleep mode at any time to adapt to your established routine. Wishing you a restful sleep. Thank you for watching.